Cat 26 here, just do it some fairs and hobbies. And we got Snoopy Ice Hockey. Making this kit, and if I find any parts that are hard, I will tell you about it. This part in, you have to put it in the slot there and then twist it to lock it in. To scrape out the inside there for the pin. This is what it looks like so far, the linkage. So this pin here, right here, has to be, you have to take, drill it out with this knife, okay, and push it in. I used these to push it in by the top, and you got to get it below this lip right here. Nose is right there between the pucks. Paint Snoopy's eyes in, and also on the Woodstock. Flashlight down to see the lines to put this border here, the sticker. Use a X-Acto knife to lift these stickers up and try to get the edge. Put some glue on the opposite side of the bat net and let it dry. You have to pull the trigger back over here to get Woodstock to fit in the slot, okay? Done, and to see Snoopy goes back and forth. I painted his eyes and Woodstock's eyes, and that's what it looks like. And remember that Woodstock goes on the net side, and Snoopy goes on the other side, the longer circle. Okay, smaller circle for Woodstock, and you got to pull the trigger to get Woodstock to put in there, put in the slot, and you should have no problem with Snoopy. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.